For sale, Grade A MSC Corporate Office Tower, Cyberjaya, Malaysia. Bangunan Mustapha Kamal, MSC Malaysia Cyber Centre, Freehold Strata property. Asking price, Rm 105 million, fully tenanted, ROI, 8%. Property overview. An exclusive opportunity to own a Grade A, Freehold Corporate Office Tower in the heart of Cyberjaya, Malaysia's premier digital and tech hub. This 3-story standalone commercial building sits on a prime site at Persiaran Usahawan 1, within the MSC Malaysia Cyber Centre. The tower is fully tenanted with 100% occupancy, delivering a stable 8% return on investment from day one. Key property features. Freehold, Strata title, Non-Bumiputera lot. Gross floor area, 191,056 square feet, net lettable area, 124,059 square feet, fully tenanted, 100% occupancy. High ROI, 8% yield. Ideal for corporate HQs, tech firms, or data centers. TNB backup generator, broadband ready. Building specifications. 3-story commercial tower. 2 public lifts plus 1 cargo/service lift. Basement car park, 133 bays, plus open parking, 168 bays. Centralized air conditioning. Designated loading bay. Male and female washrooms on every level. 24/7 security, CCTV, and fire safety systems. Utilities, electricity, water, telephone, broadband. Generator set at basement. Prime location and connectivity. Cyberjaya MRT Utara Station, PY39 Cyberjaya City Centre MRT Station, PY40. Connected via MEX, LDP, and SKVE highways. Approximately 13 km to Putrajaya, 26-31 km to Klia/Klia 2. Why foreign investors should consider this property. 100% foreign ownership allowed. Strata titled and non-Bumiputera status enables full foreign ownership under Malaysian property law. Freehold, no lease expiry. Own the property permanently, unlike leasehold restrictions in many other countries. Immediate income, 8% ROI benefit from existing tenancy agreements and consistent rental yield. In Malaysia's digital capital. Located in Cyberjaya, a government-supported tech and business hub with MSC Malaysia status and future-forward infrastructure. Ready-to-use infrastructure. Features like high-speed broadband, backup generator, and loading bay make it plug-and-play for international firms. Strong legal protections. Malaysia offers a transparent legal system, clear title processes, and investor-friendly policies. Currency advantage. Foreign buyers benefit from a favorable exchange rate, making this a high-value, low-cost investment relative to other regional markets. Ideal for regional or global corporate headquarters, technology or IT firms, data center conversion, government-linked tenants, investment portfolio diversification. Contact us today. For more information and viewing, kindly email Sonny at sonnycock2@gmail.com or hand phone +6016 215 7571. Owner is welcome to list.